So walking down a little deer trail like this, you will find an exponential amount of ticks just sitting on the end of branches and brambles and leaves. So just be mindful to check that when you do go through a little trail where you're brushing up against the bracken and the leaves, just be sure to do a quick tick check after. So I'm just getting the fire together now. I'm in an area where there's no long dry grass that's going to catch fire to the surrounding moorland, and I've got some little sticks there for when the fire gets going. For tinder, I'm literally just using, you can see here, I'm stripping off this like so, and I'm just putting that into the middle there. And I've also got some cotton wool. This stuff here is great for tinder. It's very dry, very light, very easy to light. Okay, and then we'll start getting the fire going in a minute. Wind direction, there is zero wind, believe it or not, at the moment. But always take into account the wind direction when you're building your fire. Okay, so I've got my ferro rod and striker by Bear Grylls, and my tinder is in here. So I've got some fire blocks here as well, which is going to make it much easier. And I've also got some cotton wool, some sheep's wool, and I've got some dry sticks in there as well. So I'm going to get that going on here. Okay, so put a little bit of dry wool in there. Spread it out, just open it right up like that. Then we'll close that over when we get sparks going. And then I'm going to get a little bit of fire block, and I'm just going to crush that fire block in there like this. Okay, so this is the ferro rod, and here's the striker. Okay. There we go, guys. Let's get a little bits of dry wood in there. No deal. Look at that. We have fire. You want to build it up gradually. Make sure that flame's going. Put your little bits of wood on there. There we go. So, great bit of survival kit, guys. But I'm going to cook a bit of lunch now. Okay, so the fire's going really well now, and I'm going to get my mess tin on top and cook some noodles. I've got some water and some chicken noodles. Lunchtime. And I'll just keep topping that up now with all the little bits of broken wood that are lying around. Easy peasy. Okay, so let's get the mess tin on. Fresh water. Place the mess tin on top. like so. Let's put some water in. Put some more firewood in. There we go. Just keep topping that up. Chicken flavor noodles. Got a knife, fork and spoon in my bag. That water's heating up really quickly already. And it's already nearly boiling. You can see the bubbles. That's only been about 3 minutes. Okay, let's put in the noodles. The water's starting to boil. Always put your rubbish in a trash bag once you've finished. And don't forget your diggers. Knife, fork and spoon. Oh, have a look at this. So I've just been topping it up gradually. I've got an excellent hack as well to clean the mess tin after without using any wipes. And you can see the water's boiling there and it's only been 4 or 5 minutes. Just a little. There we go, that's piping hot already. Wow. Right, let's have a little sample. Look at that, that's piping hot and ready to go. Let's try it. That is banging. Just be aware because the mess tin handle might be hot. Mess tins, I used to use these in the army. They're just fantastic bits of kit. You can wash and shave out of them, you can eat out of them, and you can clean them without using any wet wipes. Get on. Okay guys, let's give this a go. It's very hot. That is good. Okay, lunch is done and you can see the fire is going out now and you can see the bottom of the mess tin is black. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour a little bit of water over the mess tin and I'm going to pour a bit of water into this fire just to make sure that it's out. Have a little drink as well. And I'm going to show you how to clean the bottom of this mess tin. So see this grass here? And just by doing this a few times, go in a circular motion as well. And you can see my mess tin is pretty much clean. And last but not least, leave no trace. You can see I've scattered the rocks so you can't even tell that anyone's been here and had a fire and had some lunch. All right, I'm gonna that up more. Right, then cover that with some stones and with some broken bits of stick. There we go. You can never tell I was here. Okay, just walking back through a deer trail, which will be full of ticks again. So I have sprayed myself up with deep spray. Okay, so I'm just walking through Tick Alley and I've seen this stuff here and this is really, really great for tinder. And you just grab it like this, strip it, and then you've got a load of dry material to get your fire going very quickly.